Do you want to improve your English speaking today? Good, because in this video, we're starting your Shadowing Starter Pack. Simple, natural English you can repeat with me every day. Yesterday, I met a girl who was learning English. She told me, "I'm nervous when I speak." So I said, "Let's practice something simple together." We repeated small sentences, slowly, then faster. And after 5 minutes, she smiled and said, "Wow, I can do this." That's exactly what we're doing today. Let's start with easy sentences to warm up your mouth and your rhythm. Repeat after me. I am ready. I can do this. I'm learning English. This is my practice time. I want to sound better. I want to speak clearly. I am getting stronger. I am improving today. I'm proud of myself. Let's keep going. Now let's practice sentences you can use every day. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I drink water every morning. I start my day with energy. I check my messages. I go to work or school. I talk to my friends. I learn something new. I take a break when I need it. I try my best every day. I end my day feeling grateful. Now we'll practice natural patterns that help you sound smoother. Repeat after me. I'm working on my English. I'm listening carefully. I'm repeating with confidence. I'm speaking more naturally. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I'm learning step by step. I'm getting better every day. I'm improving my rhythm. I'm feeling more comfortable. I'm really proud of myself. These short lines help you sound more fluent in real conversations. Repeat after me. Sounds good. No problem. That's fine. I get it. I'm not sure. Let me think. 1 second. I like that. I don't know yet. Let's do it. Shadowing is not about perfection. It's about repetition. Repeat these sentences every day, even if it feels too easy. Why? Because your mouth needs to learn the muscle memory of English. Be patient, be consistent, and don't whisper. Speak out loud, even softly. Your brain learns faster when you hear your own voice. I don't know yet. Let's do it. All right, my friend, that's it for today's practice. You showed up, you repeated, you improved, and I'm proud of you. Remember, English fluency grows a little bit every day, and you just took a great step today. If this helped you, come back tomorrow. Drink some water, relax your voice, and I'll see you in the next shadowing session. Keep going, you're getting better.